Hi, I'm Jan. In today's video I want to show you, in case of your rear wheel well is touching the cassette in the corners, what you need is a phone, some wood sticks, your fingers to make sure it's not too hot, and that's it. So the distance between the rear cassette and the rear wheel well must be around 6 mm. We have here kind of 6 mm. In this case, it's perfect. It fits perfect. So this one is good, but in case it's a little bit too less, you take the phone, you heat up the area where the cassette is touching and a little bit around the area. Keep your hands there to make sure it's not getting too hot. Otherwise, you burn the resin and it's gonna look really bad. So on the moment it's still hot, you push this between this 6 mm distance here, you let it cool down and the problem is fixed. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. We have some more videos and have fun. See you next time. If you came all the way here, you might like our content. You could really help us out with subscribing, put the notifications on, let a comment behind what you want to see next time. We have a monthly newsletter where we want to inform you what kind of developments we do on a daily basis in order we improve your experience in the VeloMobiles.